Family and community members again demanded answers and body cam footage after a Douglas County deputy shot and killed 19-year-old Janidi Ibrahim on May 22nd. I asked Sheriff Hansen directly when that video will be released. His answer, it won't be public right away, but some people will be allowed to see it soon.
Release the video.
Release the video. And release it unedited.
Family, community advocates, local officials, and neighbors in support gathered outside the downtown courthouse calling for transparency in Ibrahim's death. His sister-in-law reflected on his graduation just days before the shooting in the moment that shattered her faith in police protection.
This is the police. They have my back. He stood in front of the police officer's car. That's how safe he felt. That was protection for him. To find out a few days later that protection took his life.
Family attorney Tim Ashford demanded the full body cam video from the Douglas County Sheriff's Office.
You want a fair investigation? And what do? You release one photograph.
Ashford says withholding footage shapes a narrative, and he's pushing for a special prosecutor. I spoke with Sheriff Hansen about the release of still images and when the full body cam video might be made public.
No, I don't disagree with them. Still images will never tell an entire image, and body camera video in and of itself does not tell the entire story.
He told me he reached out to Ibrahim's family Saturday.
Told them that we are working on facilitating a time where we can have a viewing of the video for the family, for a small select group of family members.
Hansen added the initial report is nearly complete and will soon go to the county attorney, Don Klein, then the grand jury. Hansen also confirmed the Omaha Police Department and the Nebraska State Patrol have assisted, but the sheriff's office is leading its own investigation.